In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Canva account permanently. So what we need to do is open our Canva, and after that make sure you are logged in into your account. Now the next step will be select this icon on the left down side of this page where you see your profile icon. Then go to settings. After that go to the login option over here in this menu on the left side, and then scroll all the way down, and there you will find an option to delete your account. So once you have deleted your account, you will be no longer able to access this account or your designs. So make sure you definitely want to delete your account. Once you have deleted your account, this will be permanently. So make sure you don't want to keep your account. After that, you have successfully deleted your account. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.